Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on these eyeshadow palettes from Nicka K. These are their 9 pan palettes and I have these 3 variants with me. So I have this shade Autumn Spice, Birthday Cake, and this one is Mocha Mix. So I'll be sharing my review on all these palettes, I'll be sharing my review on these 3 palettes, and I'll be creating different eye looks with each of these palettes in today's video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. First, let's talk about the packaging and pricing of these palettes. So this is how the palette looks like. It comes in this kind of plastic packaging. There was no outer packaging on this palette. It came like this only. So this is how it looks. The front of this palette is transparent, and here the name of the palette is mentioned, and here the quantity is mentioned. So it's a 9 pan palette, so you get these 9 shades in this palette, and it's a combination of matte and metallic shades, and the amount you get in this palette is 11.7 gram total. 11.7 gram amount you get in this palette, and this palette retails for 599 rupees, and the shelf life of this palette is 3 years, I guess. Yes, so the shelf life is 3 years, and this is how it looks from inside. So you get these 9 pans in this palette, and as I told you, it's a combination of matte and metallic shades, but the number of matte shades and the metallic shade differ from palette to palette. In these 2 palettes, these 2 Mocha Mix and Autumn Spice, इसके अंदर आपको 4 metallic shades मिलते हैं, while you get 5 matte shade, and in this one, the colorful one, you get 3 metallic shades and 6 matte shades. So that is the only difference between the packaging and all. And one more thing, like this part of the packaging is kind of color coded, so it matches with the scheme of this palette. Like here you see this orange color, this one is like this kind of coffee brown shade, and this one has this pink outline kind of thing. So yeah, that part is color coded, and few details are mentioned on the back side of this palette. So I got this palettes from HOK Makeup. So actual price of this individual palette is 599 rupees, but when I got these palettes from HOK Makeup, there was some offer going on, some combo offer. So I got these 3 palettes for 999 rupees. So each of these palette costed me like 333 rupees. So that was a really good deal, and I thought कि let's buy it and just try it, because मैंने निका के कोई और प्रोडक्ट ट्राई नहीं किए हैं. I mean I have only tried one lipstick from निका के. उसके अलावा मैंने कोई और प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई नहीं किए. And when I saw this deal on HOK Makeup, so I thought it was a good deal, and that's why I bought these palettes. Now let's talk about these 3 palettes one by one. This one is in the shade Autumn Spice. So in this one, we are getting 4 metallic shades, and rest all 5 shades are matte shades. So यहाँ पे you can see 4 metallic shades हैं, and 5 matte shades हैं. So first let's see how I created this look using this palette, and then we will talk more about this palette. So I'll start with this shade. So I'm applying this shade in my crease. So there is a kickback, a little bit of kickback in the palette. So you'll have to dust off the excess. And it feels like these shadows are little powdery. So I just patted this shade here, and you can see the pigmentation is good. So there is no transition color as such in this palette. So I'm taking this shade on the same brush, and I'm taking a very little amount. Actually I thought of using this shade, but ये दोनों ही shade काफ़ी similar से हैं. So that's why I'm taking this shade. Well, I'll take बहुत थोड़ा सा, again dust off the excess. So ये जो shadows हैं काफ़ी easily blend हो रहे हैं. There is no difficulty in blending the eyeshadows. थोड़े से पाउडरी हैं, बट मुझे कुछ ऐसा फॉल आउट नहीं दिख रहा है फ्रॉम दीज आई शेडोज. थोड़ा सा किकबैक है, So just remember to dust off the excess before applying the eyeshadows. So next I'll take this shade and I'll apply this shade on my outer V's and थोड़ा सा मैं इसको अपनी crease में भी apply करूँगी. So ये जो ये वाला शेड है डार्क ब्राउन शेड, इसमें उतना फॉल आउट नहीं है, उतना पाउडरी नहीं है ये शेड. तो ये जो ब्राउन शेड है, दिस लुक्स टू बी लिटिल पैची. लिटिल डिफिकल्ट टू ब्लेंड दिस शेड, एज यू कैन सी थोड़ा सा पैची लग रहा है ये. So the pigmentation of this shade is good, but I feel it's little patchy. It's little difficult to blend this particular shade. I use a different brush on this eye. तो अगर ब्रश के साथ कोई इशू है तो क्लियर हो जाएगा. Okay, so it was easier to apply this shade on this side. It means there was some issue with the brush only. तो उतना पैची यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा है when I use this brush. तो इसके साथ it's working fine and it's easier to blend. बहुत थोड़ा सा still I feel कि पैची है, but not not a lot. जैसा अभी आपने देख ही लिया कि कई बार कौन सा आप ब्रश यूज़ कर रहे हैं या कौन सा टूल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, उस पर भी काफ़ी डिपेंड करता है कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट आपके लिए कितना अच्छे से काम करेगा. तो मैंने एक ब्रश यूज़ किया, उसके साथ मैंने अप्लाइड दिस शेड, इट वाज लुकिंग पैची, बट व्हेन आई यूज डिफरेंट ब्रश फॉर द सेम शेड इट वाज नॉट लुकिंग पैची ऑन दिस साइड. सो टूल्स एक्चुअली आप कौन से यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो काफ़ी मैटर करता है किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के लिए. आई विल जस्ट क्लीन द एजेस यूजिंग द कंसीलर. And then I just blend this area so that ना एकदम harsh line ना दिखे. So next I'm taking this shade. I'll just apply using my fingers. तो ये जो metallic shade है soft है, but इसकी जो consistency है ना पाउडर की वो कुछ अजीब सी है. The pigmentation is really good. काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है ये आई शेडो, तो आपको थोड़ा सा फॉल आउट दिख सकता है इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग अ ब्रश, बट व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग योर फिंगर आई डोंट थिंक यू विल फेस एनी फॉल आउट. एंड द पिगमेंटेशन व्हाट यू गेट व्हेन यू यूज योर फिंगर्स इज लाइक इनसेन. सी, इट्स रियली ब्यूटिफुल. आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड विद दिस शेड. दिस लुक्स so beautiful. I'm just blending everything together. Lovely. So I don't think I can use actually any other shade for this eye look. Maybe जो बाकी shades हैं वो कभी किसी और look में try करेंगे हम. Okay, let's use this shade, जो middle वाला shade है ना. I'll just use this shade, middle shade, to clean my eyebrow area. ये जो shade है वो बहुत ही मिल्की कलर है इसका, तो यू कैन यूज एक्चुअली दिस काइंड ऑफ शेड टू क्लीन योर आईब्रोज. फॉर माई लोअर लैश लाइन आई एम यूजिंग दीज टू शेड्स. जो डार्क ब्राउन शेड है उसको मैं बहुत ही क्लोज टू माई लोअर लैश लाइन अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. एंड आई विल मोस्टली अप्लाई ऑन द आउटर साइड जस्ट टू मैच इट विद द whatever is going on the lid. So next I'm taking that metallic shade what I applied on my lids little bit. I'll just apply only on the inner part of the lower lash line. So as I said, if you'll apply this shade with a brush, you will see a little bit of fallout. So the color scheme of this palette is really good. You are getting very nice warm shades in this palette. So the undertone of this palette is actually warm. तो आपको काफ़ी अच्छे से warm shades मिल रहे हैं इसके अंदर. And you get these 5 matte shades in this palette as you can see. But ये जो 2 shades है ना मुझे काफ़ी similar से लगे. Then you are getting this very nice dark brown shade and this kind of orangish brown shade, and this is a very cool toned milky shade. So you can use this shade to just set your eyelids, like when you apply base on your eyelids, you can just set your eyelids using this shade, or you can clean up your eyebrows as well, like I did. I use this to clean up my eyebrows. So one thing which I noticed is that there are nice crease shades in this palette, but there is no proper transition shade. So I used this shade as my transition shade, but इसके अंदर कोई proper transition shade मुझे दिखा नहीं. बाकी जो शेड्स हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छे से परफॉर्म करें. द पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ दीज आई शेडोज आर रियली गुड. यू गेट अ रियली नाइस पिगमेंटेशन एक ही बार में ऑन योर आईज, एंड दीज आर वेरी इजी टू ब्लेंड एज वेल. बट व्हेन यू ब्लेंड दीज आई शेडोज दे लूज देयर कलर अ लिटिल बिट, सो you'll have to take more color and then apply it, but it's very easy to build up the color with these eyeshadows, so you won't feel any difficulty there. Now about the metallic shade, I used only this metallic shade. तो जो पिगमेंटेशन है इस मेटालिक शेड की वो काफ़ी अच्छी है. जब मैंने ऐसे हाथ पे स्वॉच किया था तो मुझे पिगमेंटेशन उतनी अच्छी लगी नहीं, बट व्हेन आई अप्लाइड ऑन द लिड्स एक्चुअली द पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ दीज मेटालिक आई शेडोज आर रियली गुड. मतलब 1 या 2 बार में ही आई कुड कवर द होल लिड. काफ़ी अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन मिली एक ही बार के अंदर. जो शेडोज़ हैं वो काफ़ी सॉफ्ट हैं, काफ़ी सॉफ्टली मिल्ड शेडोज़ हैं. बहुत ही बटरी सॉफ्ट सा टेक्स्चर है इनका. तो मुझे ये आई शेडोज़ जो मेटालिक आई शेडोज़ हैं स्पेशली काफ़ी अच्छे लगे. आई यूज ओनली 1 शेड, बट आई एम होपिंग कि बाकी जो मेटालिक शेड्स हैं वो भी सिमिलर वे में परफॉर्म करेंगे, बिकॉज फॉर्मूला तो सेम ही है, राइट. तो आई थिंक कि बाकी भी अच्छे से परफॉर्म करेंगे. सो ओवरऑल आई रियली लाइक दिस पैलेट. जो कलर स्कीम है इस पैलेट की काफ़ी अच्छी है, काफ़ी बिगनर्स फ्रेंडली है, एंड आप इसके साथ काफ़ी लुक्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन क्रिएट सिंपल आई लुक्स लाइक यूजिंग दिस matte shades. You can just create a whole matte look. Simple eye looks you can create everyday eye looks as well, and using all these metallic shades what you get here, you can create party looks as well. Like you can see मैंने एक अच्छा सा फेस्टिव काइंड ऑफ लुक क्रिएट किया है, आई लुक क्रिएट किया है. आप पार्टी लुक्स भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, फेस्टिव लुक क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एवरीडे लुक क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ अ रियली बिगिनर फ्रेंडली पैलेट, बिकॉज अगर आप बिगनर हैं तो इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू टू प्ले विथ कलर्स. बट ये जो शेड्स हैं वो काफ़ी सिंपल से शेड्स हैं, बहुत एवरीडे काइंड ऑफ शेड्स हैं, बेसिक शेड्स हैं. तो आप इनके साथ ट्राई कर सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली यूज़ दीज शेड्स लाइक दिस वन. यू कैन जस्ट यूज़ दीज शेड्स on your eyelids and you're good to go. Just apply liner or kajal and then you are done with your eye look. So that way this is a really good everyday and beginners friendly palette. So next palette is this one. This one is in the shade Mocha Mix. This is how it looks like, and you can find some details on back of it. So this palette also retails for the same price, and you get 11.7 gram of product in this. And this is also a 9 pan palette. So there are 9 shades available in this palette as well. So there are 4 metallic shades and rest 5 shades are matte shades. I have already prepped my eyes, so let's start with this palette. First I'm taking this shade. So as you can see, there is a little kickback in the palette, but not too much. So just dust off the excess and apply it. So you can see the pigmentation of this shade is good. Okay, so this shade is not highly pigmented, but it's very easy to build up the color with this shade, and it was very easy to blend as well. Next I'm using this shade as my transition shade. Again there is a little bit kickback, So this shade also performed really well. It was very easy to blend this shade as well. और आपस में भी ये जो आई शेडोज़ हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत easily blend हो जा रहे हैं. Just that the pigmentation of these shadows are not too good, like these are not highly pigmented, but you can easily build up the color with this shade. Next I'm taking this metallic shade and I'll apply this shade on my lids. So I'm applying using the fingers only. So this is how it is. These are little powdery, so you can see some fallout. Wow. That is some great pigment. But just be careful because as I told you, right, जो texture है वो थोड़ा सा powdery texture है. So when you are taking on the finger, I see some kind of grittiness and some powderiness. So there can be some fallout if you are not careful. But the pigmentation is bang on. Wow. Fix the edges with a brush. Okay, so here is some fallout from this metallic shade. So I'll apply this shade directly from brush only on the other eye and we'll see कि ब्रश से कैसा पिगमेंटेशन मिलता है. इस ब्रश से उतना कुछ खास काम नहीं कर रहा है. लेट्स ट्राई सम अदर ब्रश. सो यार ड्राई ब्रश के साथ उतनी अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन नहीं मिलती है. सो आई विल यूज माई फिंगर्स ओनली. Just blending the edges with the same crease color. Actually want to use one more metallic shade, so which one to use? I'm using this metallic shade and I'm just applying in the middle. Again, this also has the same texture and this is also really nicely pigmented, but there is a lot of fallout using this metallic eyeshadows. Next I'm taking this shade and I'll apply this shade only on my outer V's. Next I'm taking this shade and this shade and I'll apply this shade on my lower lash line. So I guess this is the final eye look. I'll complete rest of my makeup and come back. In this palette we get a good combination of a matte and metallic shades. So there are 4 metallic shades and 5 matte shades you get. So I use these 3, this one and this. These 3 matte shades are used to create this look. So all the matte shades perform good. Like you don't get too much pigmentation out of it. They are not highly pigmented. You'll have to build up these eyeshadows to get a good pigmentation on your eyes. You'll have to apply multiple times and build up the color with these eyeshadows. These are not supremely pigmented, but it's easy to build up the color using these eyeshadows. They work really well, and there is a little kickback with this palette in the pan, but not too much. They are not too powdery, but you'll see a little bit of kickback. So these eyeshadows are very easy to apply and blend. बहुत ही easily blend हो जाते हैं, बिल्कुल भी पैची नहीं रहते हैं, and आपस में भी काफ़ी अच्छे से काम करते हैं eyeshadows. तो matte eyeshadows are okay. Like again I told you, right, not supremely pigmented, but you can easily build up the color using these eyeshadows. Now let's talk about the metallic eyeshadows. Also you don't get any fallout with the matte ones. I didn't observe any fallout with the matte ones. Now about the metallic ones, you get these 4 shades in this palette. These 4 are metallic shades. So now these metallic shades are powdery. Like I applied these with my fingers only, because when I tried with brush I was not seeing that much of pigment. I tried with dry brush only, I didn't try with the wet brush. So with brush I was not seeing that much pigment, so I actually used my fingers only. So these eyeshadows are very powdery. Like the consistency, the texture is very powdery of these eyeshadows. So the pigmentation what you get is really good, as you can see here, right? It swatch also really well, and on the eyes also it applied really good. बहुत अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन मिलती है आपको इन आई शेडोज़ के साथ. आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ द टेक्सचर ओनली, जिस तरह का इनका टेक्सचर है, यू नो वेट काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर है, वेट पाउडरी काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर है इन आई शेडोज़ का. तो बहुत अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन मिलती है आपको इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग योर फिंगर्स. मे बी वेट ब्रश के साथ भी आपको सिमिलर pigmentation मिले, but it's always good to apply these kind of eyeshadows with fingers and you get a really good pigmentation. Just that you will see a lot of fallout. Like I saw a lot of fallout with these metallic eyeshadows. I used this one and this one. I use these two shades on my eyelids. बहुत अच्छे से अप्लाई होते हैं, बहुत अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन मिलेगी आपको, बट यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ फॉल आउट एज वेल. सो ऑलवेज यू नो डू योर आई मेकअप वेन एवर यू आर यूजिंग दिस पैलेट. ऑलवेज डू योर आई मेकअप फर्स्ट बिफोर योर बेस. अदरवाइज फॉल आउट रहेगा तो आपका बेस मेकअप खराब हो सकता है. सो दैट इज़ द ओनली प्रॉब्लम आई सॉ. अदरवाइज पिगमेंटेशन के साथ और कलर्स वगैरह के साथ मुझे कोई इशू नहीं है. और ओवरऑल द कलर स्कीम ऑफ दिस पैलेट इज ऑल्सो गुड. लाइक यू कैन क्रिएट वेरी natural looks out of this. Like you have these four shadows, right? So you can create very nice you know everyday kind of natural look out of this palette, and you get very nice metallic shades as well. तो इसके साथ आप कुछ party glam look भी create कर सकते हैं. Like I have created this one. So you can use this for multiple purposes. So that's that way it's a really beautiful palette. So overall I would say I like this palette, just that you'll have to be careful with the metallic eyeshadows. So the next palette is this one. This one is in the shade Birthday Cake. It's a colorful palette. So this is how it looks, and all the details are mentioned on back side of it, and this is how it looks from inside. So you get these 9 shades in this palette as well. So in this one you get 6 matte shades and 3 metallic shades. जो दूसरे palette है उसके अंदर 5 matte shades मिलती हैं आपको and 4 metallic shades, but in this one there are 6 matte shades and 3 metallic shades. So the price and everything is like similar to other palettes. सब palettes की एक ही price है. So now let's see how we created this look using this palette. So I've already prepped my eyes. Now let's start with this shade. So I'm applying this shade in my crease. So first I'll pack this color and then I will blend it. So I'm taking the color on the brush. So as you can see, there is not much kickback. Pigmentation is actually good. The other brush was a little fluffy, so I changed the brush. Okay, so the pigmentation of the this matte shade is really good और बहुत अच्छे से blend भी हो गया. Next I'm taking this shade and I'll just diffuse this color. So basically I'm using this as a transition shade. So on the eyes both the shades are looking very similar. So let's try this shade. Next I'm taking this shade and I'll apply this on my outer V's. I really like this shade. काफ़ी अच्छा pigmentation है इसका और बहुत ही easily blend हो जा रहा है. Next I'm taking this purple shade. Okay, so there was a fallout, but the pigmentation is really good. You can see. So the texture of this shade is a little, you know, weird. Very बहुत ही powdery kind of texture है इसका. I have observed the same thing with other पैलेट्स एज वेल कि जो मेटालिक शेड है वो उनका जो टेक्सचर है वो पाउडरी काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर है. पिगमेंटेशन आपको अच्छा मिलता है बट द टेक्सचर इज वेरी वियर्ड एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ फॉल आउट. आई एम टेकिंग अ ब्रश टू जस्ट फिक्स द एजेस. I don't know, I'm not liking this texture of this particular shade. And let's see the other shades. Yeah, so इसका भी pigmentation अच्छा है but the same texture. Okay, the texture of this one is good. So this shade, the texture of this is very, you know, buttery soft kind of texture. Like you can see बहुत अच्छा pigmentation भी, but ये वाला जो शेड है एंड दिस वन, ये दोनों ही कुछ इट्स लाइक यू नो, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इट बट कैन यू सी इट हैज़ अ वेरी पाउडरी काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर. आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट लाइकिंग दिस पर्पल शेड. लेट्स सी, आई जस्ट ट्राई टू यूज दिस वन बिकॉज आई एम लाइकिंग दिस. I know it doesn't go, but it's fine. So this is how it looks for now. I'll complete rest of my makeup and then we'll do the lower lash line and complete the whole eye look. So I'm back, and if you are wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, I'm wearing this lipstick from L'Oreal. It's their Root Signature lipstick in the shade 105 Eye Rule. Now let's complete this eye look. So for my lower lash line, I'm taking this shade first. I'm applying this very close to my lower lash line and I need my mirror for that. Okay, so I want to actually try this shade, so I'm a little scared, but let's take this shade. I think I ruined it. It turned into a purple shade. Okay, can't take it back, so let's do on the other eye as well. So guys, this is the final look. Now let's talk about this palette. So I used almost all the shades from this palette. So I used this shade for my crease. This is a transition shade, and this one as well. And this one I applied on my outer V's, and I applied these two shades on my lid. So basically ये जो matte shades थे, तो इसके अंदर आपको इस particular palette के अंदर ये आपको 5 matte shades मिलते हैं, and these 3 are metallic shades. I didn't use this shade and this shade. बाकी सब shades मैंने use करे to create this look. Now all the matte shades like these 4 shades which I used, सारे मैट शेड्स काफ़ी अच्छे थे, काफ़ी अच्छे से पिगमेंटेड थे, बिल्कुल बी पैची नहीं थे, एंड बहुत इजीली ब्लेंड हो जा रहे थे और बहुत ज़्यादा फॉल आउट भी नहीं था. देयर वाज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ किक बैक इन द पैन, बट दीज शेडोज आर नॉट वेरी पाउडरी एंड देयर वाज नॉट you know, too much of fallout. I didn't observe any fallout, and then I used this shade, this purple shade on my lids. Now the texture of this shade is very weird, like it has this very wet powdery texture, so I was seeing a lot of fallout with this one, and it was pigmented, like I could see the shadow on my eyes, बहुत अच्छे से दिख रहा था pigment, but somehow I didn't like the texture of it, and it was not looking that good. Like color अच्छा है and pigmented है, but it's still the finish it gives on the eyes, I didn't like it. And this shade, this blue shade also has the same texture as this purple one. दोनों का ही काफ़ी similar सा texture है, so I think इससे भी आपको काफ़ी fallout मिलेगा. I didn't actually use it, but जब मैंने swatch किया तो I could say कि इसका भी same ही finish है, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि ये भी इतना अच्छे से काम करेगा. नाउ अबाउट दिस वन, दिस इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल शेड. दिस आई एम वेयरिंग ऑन द मिडल ऑफ माई लिड्स. तो इसका जो फिनिश है, जो टेक्सचर है, वो इन दोनों शेड से काफ़ी डिफरेंट है. बहुत ही बटरी सॉफ्ट सा इसका टेक्सचर है. आई रियली लाइक द टेक्सचर ऑफ दिस वन वाइल आई डेंट लाइक द टेक्सचर ऑफ दीज टू. तो जो बाकी जो पैलेट्स मैंने यूज़ करे हैं उसमें जो मेटालिक शेड है उसमें भी इस तरह का टेक्सचर था किसी किसी शेड का. But still, they were performing, much better than these two shades somehow. Especially this shade. मैंने इसको apply नहीं किया तो I'm not sure about this one. But इसके साथ तो मुझे clearly दिखा that it was not performing, as good as the other shade. So I was not happy about this shade. So overall, it's a good palette. It's a good affordable palette. Especially जो matte shades हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. Metallics के साथ मुझे थोड़ा सा issue है, especially these two. But the matte shades performed really really well. So overall, I really like this palettes. तीनों ही पैलेट काफ़ी अच्छे से परफॉर्म करते हैं, स्पेशली द मैट शेड. सो जनरली यू सी कि जो मेटालिक शेड्स रहते हैं, मोस्टली पैलेट्स में जो मेटालिक शेड्स होते हैं वो अच्छे से परफॉर्म करते हैं. बट मैट शेड में समटाइम्स यू विल सी कि दे डोंट परफॉर्म वेल. बट इन दिस पैलेट मैट शेड्स आर बेटर देन द मेटालिक शेड्स. आई फील मैट शेड बहुत ही अच्छे से पिगमेंटेड हैं, बिल्कुल पैची नहीं है, बहुत ईजिली ब्लेंड हो जाते हैं. देयर इज़ नो फॉल आउट and you'll see a little bit of kickback. उसके अलावा कोई issue नहीं है. And the metallic shades, the pigmentation of metallic shades is like good, but the texture of a few metallic shades in this palette are not good, like as I already told you in the review. But overall, these palettes are good. Now if I talk about the price point, each palette retails for 599 rupees, which is a little bit costly. I feel like आपको इसी तरह का Swiss Beauty का palette भी मिलता है which retails for 200 or 250 rupees. And the quality of that palette is really good. So if I compare like this is a little costly, but if you are getting good deal like I did, like if you are getting this palette on some discount, you can totally go for it because the quality of the palette is really good. Now about the availability of these palettes, these are easily available. These are available on Nykaa, HOK Makeup, and I think these are available on Amazon and Flipkart as well. I'll provide links from all the websites in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box if you are planning on purchasing these eyeshadow palettes. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.